Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wajid Ali Khan, and as promised, this is the last video of final chapter playlist. And today we are going to complete our course. And this video is all about my trading strategy that I'm going to share it with you today. So, to benefit from this trading strategy of mine, you have to go through the previous two playlists of this course. Then you are going to understand and make any profits or do consistent profitable trading in the Forex field. Okay, without wasting your time, let's start. The strategy is based on intraday traded in H1 time frame with a combination of Fibonacci retracement, Bollinger Bands set at 44, simple moving average with 200 interval, stochastic oscillator with 1166 setting, and relative strength index with 11. How to use these indicators and where to set them, this has been given in my previous playlist. That is why I'm telling you to go through all the playlists before jumping into this final chapter. So the study is based on working with built-in indicators in MT4 setup given and explained thoroughly to trade the market. These indicators are used in a manner that they give us the confidence to enter and exit the trade. The strategy is based on 1:1 risk reward. After the entry, the first lot is closed at 50 pips move as the first take profit level, and the rest is on break even. Once the market moves in the direction after 50 pips, entry is locked in profit. As I have told you that I always take two lots each time, so this is the treatment for the both of the lots. The below mentioned information is totally related to intraday trading and for low risk trades. The strategy is back tested for quite a long period of time and the winning ratio is quite impressive, though patience is required as one have to wait for confirmation and not to jump into the trade on a single confluence. On a chart, observe that when a Fibonacci is stretched, no matter from high to low or low to high, it starts from 100% level, so it means price should visit or travel from 0% to 100%. In between, 50% is a possible retracement area or pivot point for the day. Now all the levels in Fibonacci shall be considered as the supports and resistance for the day, SNRs for the day. And if you get Bollinger Bands BB set with the period of 44, mid-band combined with any of these, you have the best and strongest SNR of the day. First of all, observe the trend in H1 by SMA 200 and SMA 44, BB44, and confirms it with H4. For the BB44 above the SMA 200, it is considered bullish market. So go for a long position targeting 50 pips for the first lot, and once the market moves above the targeted TP, hold the second with break even and later lock the entry at 50 pips or as per your wish. Same is when the BB44 is below SMA 200, it is considered bearish market. Go for a short position. The case with the other moving average, that is SMA 200, when this moving average combined with any FIBO level, you get an SNR point with the trend, it will easily give you the targeted level. Remember that whenever a moving average comes in line with the Fibonacci level, when the market is there, it makes a strong SNR. Even if the market is changing its trend, one can easily get 20 to 30 pips on rejection and before breaking the SNR. Remember, it's all about patience. As mentioned earlier, that these are low risk entries, so you may have to wait even for a day or two for the best setup to appear on the chart. You may get more than one setup in a day, or you may have to wait for a period of time to get a good entry. Finally, as I have completed my playlist of introduction to trading, learning basics, and final chapter. Now only two playlists will be operational, that is hot picks, in which I will share my day-to-day trading experiences, and daily 50 pips, in which I will post my daily work plan for intraday trading. You are free to ask any questions regarding this setup of this trading strategy. I'll sure give you the answer in the comments. So bye for now, take care, let's go.